Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Apple layout on this Motorola. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher. After that, get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use it, choose while using and allow in the pop-ups. So while using, allow. When you finished, tap on Got It. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and exit iOS Launcher. Finally, go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Then tap on Default Apps and click on Home App. Lastly, to apply iOS Launcher, tap on it over here and hit Got It. So when I do that, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. If you wish to switch between your layouts, just access the same settings and tap on Moto App Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!